Today, I'm going to give you a little tip on how to connect to something if you can't get your actual clips on. Stay tuned. Alright, so we've probably all been there. You can't get your ring clamp around something. Maybe it's a hydrometer like this and it's all enclosed. A lot of the newer homes are trying to do that to make it look pretty. Let's say you also can't get your leads on to actual clip to something. What do you do in that situation as a locator when you're out in the field? Well, one thing that I carry with me is I happen to come across this little magnet that has a little end on it. And what I'm able to do is take that magnet, and as long as the paint is not too thick, I can snap that on, take my direct connection lead, and actually clip it onto that utility. So here I've snapped that lead on. I can connect my leads up to it, put my ground stake in the ground, and I'm able to get out there and do a locate. I look down on our transmitter here, and on our output, we've actually got 25 milliamps, so this is putting out a great amount of signal. So I know that I'm connected, and this should allow me to actually get out and do a locate. So now I'll get my receiver out, do my sweep. Here's my utility right here, and I'm able to go ahead and do my locate. But let's say now, for whatever reason, you couldn't get your ground stake in the ground and your leads weren't long enough to maybe cross the asphalt or concrete or whatever it is. What do you do then? Well, you simply grab a ground spool like this. Now this can be anything. We can supply them as well. You can reach out to your local distributor and ask for them. Or you can also just simply grab some wire, put a clip on the end, and what you do is a strip back on that, and I'll show you that now. So I'll unravel this out here and show you what I mean by a strip back, and I'll actually do one. So let's say you just needed a little bit longer to be able to cross that asphalt or concrete or wherever to get your ground stake in or come out of a basement of a house or something. All you would do is extend this lead out, put your ground stake in the ground, clip to it, and then simply make a strip back in the wire just like that where you strip it back. And I'll show you now. We put our ground stake in our ground, clip our lead from our spool to our ground stake, grab our black lead from our transmitter, and all I simply do is go to that strip back that I made, clip onto that strip back, and now I've got a good ground. So you can see on my transmitter, I've still got 25 milliamps. So I've now made my good ground. I've extended it out past where I need to. Those are just a couple tips that we have to make your life a little bit easier. Please subscribe to our channel and follow along as we put out more tips like this and videos on tricks that we've learned over the years. Take care.